Our consistency is evident throughout the organization, including in our dedicated metrology and incomparable engineering departments. We're able to measure even the smallest shifts in response through our 15 hydraulic standards and 5 deadweight standards, all of which are just for load cells. Our engineering and metrology teams pay close attention to these standards, which we use to compare other load cells to ours. All of this data is gathered regularly and subject to strict monitoring to prevent issues. Unlike others, Interface's load cells do not lose their accuracy over time. Instead, our load cells demonstrate improvements in accuracy the longer our customers have them. The way we design our load cells is the key to this success. Our load cells are low height and high precision for axial force measurement, and we use shear beams for more strain gauges inside. The strain gauge is part of the flexure, which allows all strains to be measured as accurately as possible. Our strain gauges are designed in-house so customers don't need to accommodate their designs to account for generic strain gauges. Interface load cells also improve over time because of the materials we use. We manufacture our load cells with steel that we machine in-house, and we manufacture our own strain gauges. The strain gauges are bonded to our machined steel elements, and because of the bonding process, the adhesive and bonding materials will gradually improve the transfer of strain with time. This allows for a better transition of force from the machined steel to the strain gauge, which accounts for the increase in long-term performance from error and output standpoints. Our reputation for quality has been critical to maintaining our market leadership over the past 50 years, and we stop at nothing to provide our customers with the most accurate force measurement solutions available.